Well, hello there. Yes, it's me, Jessica. I think you are ready. Get ready because we are going to be having a lot of fun in this video. Hey there, welcome back. Yes, this is me, Jessica Campos, the recovered attorney that turned herself into a forensic digital marketer. And now we help entrepreneurs and marketing teams creating brands and monetize them. Yes! And before we dive in, I want to give this shout out to Order to Everything. Yay! Melinda is amazing, and I want you guys to know that you can always get organized even virtually. So, are you ready to dive in? Well, I have to be honest with you. I'm having this hesitation in telling you that you should be jumping into this amazing tool because you're gonna find out that I just get really crazy when it comes to activating my creativity, activating my ideas, and yeah, this is what this tool is gonna be about. I think Instagram realized that TikTok was getting a lot of traction, and then besides from the problem that they're having in the government level, TikTok has created a boom. And if you have been a TikToker, then I think you will agree with me that the platform just feels so light. I will never forget, whatever happens with TikTok as we are talking today, I'm thankful for TikTok because the days when we were so nervous and anxious with everything that was happening in the pandemic at the beginning, right? When we didn't know what was going to happen. I remember just going to TikTok and then having at least 10 to 15 minutes of, zoning out and looking at what other people were doing. I actually met, there's a TikToker that I love. I would never forget, it was like she goes to Starbucks and then she has like a golden doodle and then she's like, can I have the on a side note, your golden doodle is gonna make you so famous because they're very famous on TikTok. Just to let you know. Okay, I get it. I think you're asking me that I should be serious. Is that what it is? I get it. Well, the first thing I need to tell you in all disclaimer is that the name of this platform, I cannot even pronunciate it. Okay, so it's REELS, but because I speak English with a Hispanic accent, the way I pronunciate it, it's not gonna be you won't be able to understand. So I'm gonna try and do my best for probably learning how to pronunciate it, but it goes as this: rails, rails, reels, 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 reels. I think you get it. Like the copycat of TikTok. Let's just put it like that. I think I'm gonna leave my goggles. I think I have to, because this is gonna be about well, I just have four reasons. In my opinion, there's 4 reasons why you should be diving in to the new thing that Instagram has, the Reels, as quick as possible. Reason number 1 is because what you need to understand is that there's a principle in the psychology of selling that says that novelty sells. So whenever somebody sees that you're doing something new, especially in the business season of digital marketing, when there's more people working from home, there's more people connected, there's more people trying to do something, and there's this concept of binge watching. Whenever there's something new, people want to just go in. So at the minimum, that's going to give you the chance to have new conversations. You will have the opportunity to speak to new people. So that's reason number 1. Reason number 2 is that, to be honest with you, this is very personal, but I just feel like Facebook, it's so cluttered with drama and it's just heavy. It's heavy. It feels very heavy. And when you have the chance to go to a corner where you can have that breathing room and just relax and watch some comedy, but at the same time knowing that it's real people, it's very, very funny. It is very funny. There used to be a platform, it was called Vine. So you needed to be very creative and great at storytelling to just share very quick stories, and you will need to master that. But you know what? Maybe at the beginning you just want to watch and see how other people are doing. I mean, I'm super, super excited. Reason number 3 is that if you truly embrace your creativity, you will find reasons to have new conversations. I'll tell you one thing. If you follow me, you'll be seeing that I dance reggaeton. I connect with my younger version of me, with my high school friends, and I talk about, throwback in time. I would just make fun of memes. I think it's really cool to have friends that you can see that they have the sense of humor, and then that's actually one thing that you have in common with them. I'll tell you one thing, my banker is my banker because he's a TikToker. And I would see that in common, and I would see how it's just like so open and so great spirit. Like I could sense by their TikTok, the vibe. And who doesn't want to hang out with people who have a great vibe? So yes, that's a great reason in my very, very honest opinion. And the last one, if you have talents, that would be a great way to showcase your talents. And one thing that you might not even consider is that you can mix and match the talents and maybe spin a little bit of content that is related to how do you monetize, how do you get paid, and that can build trust, believe it or not. I think these days people are looking to connect with people who are humans at the human level. As long as you know where you're going to be drawing the line and you keep your users informed, and obviously you will know if they like it or not, just go for it. Go for it. I'll be actually creating a tutorial, an official tutorial about the technical stuff of this new platform. But before, I have been basically putting a lot of time. This just started for us this week. So ever since I saw it, I'm like, I'm going to be jumping in. I have tested a couple of tricks. So go ahead and watch my Instagram so you can see how this new feature works. The Reels. I won't be able to say it. It doesn't matter how many times I practice. It's a programming. It's a neurolinguistic thing, and also I think it has to do with my brain and the way we process dual language, and also because I speak español. Y cuando nosotros hablamos español, hablamos muy rápido y tenemos las R's demasiado marcadas. Entonces, si esto fuera en español, esto fuera mucho más fácil para mí, para decirle a ustedes que tienen que estar en Reels y que es la cosa más maravillosa del mundo. You see? If it was in Spanish, it was going to be so easier. But it's not. So guys, go ahead and test it. Let me know what you find. And, let's go for it, right? Why not? And while you're testing it, just, if you didn't do it now, you can always come back and just sprinkle some of your magic and then hit me a like and then a comment, subscribe, share. That helps the magic.